Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. Dear students, today we'll solve examples of problem set 4 from the chapter construction of a triangles. So first example, construct triangle XYZ such that XY plus XZ is equal to 10.3 centimeter, YZ is equal to 4.9 centimeter and angle XYZ is equal to 45 degree. So first draw the rough figure. Draw the base YZ of 4.9 centimeter. Then angle of 45 degree at Y. Angle Y is equal to 45 degree. Then take the distance equal to 10.3 in the compass and draw the arc of 10.3 on the ray YD and get the point D. Then draw the joint DZ. After drawing DZ, draw the perpendicular bisector of DZ with the help of compass, and wherever this perpendicular bisector will intersect the ray YD will be the point X and join XZ. So we'll draw the fair figure. So first draw the base segment of length 4.9 centimeter. YZ is equal to Now with the help of compass, make the angle 45 degree at point Y. Now with the help of compass, take distance equal to 10.3 centimeter. Take distance equal to 10.3 centimeter in the compass. And cut the ray. This is point D. D is a distance of 10.3 centimeter from point Y. Angle 45 degree. Now join DZ. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of DZ. So keep the pointer at Z. Take more than half the distance. One arc on left hand side of the DZ and one arc on right hand side. From D, keep the pointer at D. Cut the arc. Cut this arc. And draw the perpendicular bisector of DZ. Wherever perpendicular bisector intersect the side YD will be the point X and join XZ. This is how we can construct triangle XYZ, where sum of length of XY plus XZ is equal to 10.3 centimeter. Second example, construct triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 70 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree, and perimeter sum of length of all sides AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. So the process of constructing such type of triangle where the perimeter is given, first we have to draw a base segment of length 11.2 centimeter. Then the angle B is 70, so half of 70, 35. So at point P, draw the angle of 35 degree. Then angle C is 60 degree. So make the angle of 30 degree. Half of 60 is 30 degree at point Q, and the point of intersection of both the rays will be point A. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of PA and QA. Wherever this perpendicular bisector will intersect, the base PQ will be point B and point C, join AB and AC, and this will be how we will get the triangle ABC. So first, with the help of scale, draw the base segment of length 11.2 centimeter. So base of length 11.2 centimeter. PQ. Now at the point P, half of 70 degree, that is 35 degree, make the angle 35 degree at point P. .35 degree angle at point P. Then at point Q, make the angle half of 60 degree, half of 60, that is 30 degree at point Q. The point of intersection of both the rays of 35 degree and 30 degree, this point of intersection will be our point A. Now draw the perpendicular bisectors of PA and QA. Now with the help of compass, keep the pointer at A, draw the arc above segment PA, more than half of PA, and one arc below segment PA, keep the pointer at P, cut the arc below the segment PA, join, draw the perpendicular bisector of PA. The point where the perpendicular is intersecting PQ will be the point B. Join AB. Join AB. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AQ. So take more than half of length AQ, one arc above the segment AQ, one arc below. Keep the pointer at A, cut the arc and cut this another arc. So both the arcs should get intersect each other. So point of intersection of both the arcs, join, and this is the perpendicular bisector of AQ. Perpendicular bisector of AQ. Wherever perpendicular bisector of AQ intersect, the base PQ is our point C, join AC. This is how we can construct triangle ABC whose perimeter is 11.2 centimeter. If we add the length AB, we will measure it, and if we add the length AB plus BC plus AC, it will be equal to 11.2 centimeter. This angle ABC will be 70 degree, and this, if we measure angle C, it will be 60 degree. Fourth example, construct triangle PQR in which PQ minus PR is equal to 2.4 centimeter, QR is equal to 6.4 centimeter, and angle PQR is equal to 55 degree. So the procedure of constructing this triangle is, first draw base QR 6.4 centimeter, then angle PQR, that is 55 degree. Now take distance equal to 2.4 centimeter in the compass and plot a point D on this ray. Then join DR, draw the perpendicular bisector of DR. Wherever perpendicular will intersect the ray which is going on upward direction, it will be our point P, and join PR. This is how we can construct triangle PQR. So first draw the base segment of length 6.4 centimeter, 6.4 centimeter. QR. Now with the help of protractor, make the angle of 55 degree at point Q. At point Q, make the angle of 55 degree. Now with the help of compass, let's take the distance equal to 2.4 centimeter. 2.4 centimeter in the scale, and from Q plot the point D on the ray. Join, this is 2.4 centimeter. Join DR, join DR, join DR. Now with the help of compass, draw the perpendicular bisector of DR. Draw the perpendicular bisector of DR, 1 arc above, 1 arc below DR. Keep the pointer at D, cut the arc below the segment DR and above the segment DR. Join the point of intersection of two arcs. The perpendicular bisector, wherever it is intersecting the ray, that will be our point P. That will be our point P. Join PR. If you take the difference of length PQ minus PR, it will be equal to 2.4 centimeter. So this is how we can construct triangle PQR.